Hello everybody, this is Manny Manel with a toy room review. Um, the wife doesn't really like my toys. She threatens me every day, saying she's gonna leave me unless I put them away. Or if I could make 1,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel, excuse me. So now I'm coming out to you guys, asking for your help so I could keep my toys up. So here's a little quick video of my toys. Thank you. Yeah, she's about 4'9", a small little Filipina, but she swings like Manny Pacquiao. She's no joke, so she gave me this little thing of reaching 1,000 subscribers by the end of the month, and I get to keep my toys up. All joking aside, she's a loving wife, and she doesn't mind my toys. It's just we're living in a small apartment, so it takes up a lot of room, and I understand. But she said if I could reach 1,000 subscribers, she'll let me keep it up. Which is funny, but here's a little clip of one of my favorite movies, Ready, Set, One. I can watch that movie every day. One time I was for like a couple of months. Oh, excuse me, here's my Terminator, Alien, Predator, Mega Constructs. My Avatar Legos. This is my tribute to Hulk Smash Everything's X-Men vs. the Avengers. One of my favorite ACBA videos. It was published like 10 years ago, but I can still watch it. It's one of my favorite videos. So I figured I'd do a little tribute. And this is pretty much it. I'm gonna have a separate video of this. It's too bad he doesn't do videos anymore, but must be on bigger and better things. I love the way Beast vs. Spider-Man came out. Tigress is kind of a tricky shot to get in there. Love the way Thor vs. Storm came out. Love these cast iron Transformers. They scale pretty good with my Ark. This is my Batman, Predator, and Wolverine vs. the Aliens. So my Decepticons. This is my Beast Wars Maximals. And this shelf is like a tribute to the movie. other than the top. The top is just my big guys. This top shelf is a bunch of miscellaneous characters I just couldn't get rid of. Here's my custom Earth base, Transformers Earth base. These figures came from these three. Came from Singapore, and this one came from the Philippines. Custom Wreck-Ar Hot Wheels. This is Manny Manel with a toy room video for 2023.